In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp in Opera GX browser PC. First, make sure you're in the Opera GX browser on your computer. We'll be working right from the built-in sidebar, which is designed to keep your favorite tools a click away. Look down to the bottom left corner of the window and find the three-dot icon on the sidebar. Click it to open the sidebar setup panel. This is where you customize what appears on your sidebar, so you can keep only what you use and hide the rest for a cleaner workspace. In the setup panel, look for the Messenger section. Opera GX Groups supported chat apps here, so they're easy to enable. Find WhatsApp in that list. To turn it on, click the toggle next to WhatsApp. When the toggle is enabled, Opera GX adds the WhatsApp icon to your sidebar automatically. If you don't see it right away, close the setup panel and glance at the left edge of your browser. The icon should now be visible. Click the WhatsApp icon in the sidebar to open the login view. You'll typically see a QR code. Have your phone handy and open WhatsApp on it to link your account. On your phone, go to the option for linked devices, then use the built-in scanner to capture the QR code on your PC screen. If you see an option to log in with your phone number instead, follow the on-screen prompts and complete any verification steps shown. Once linked, your chats will load in the panel inside Opera GX. From here, you can pin the WhatsApp panel so it stays open while you browse or collapse it when you want more space. Notifications can be managed through the browser and within WhatsApp's own settings if you prefer fewer interruptions. If the QR code doesn't scan immediately, increase your screen brightness or refresh the panel and try again. And if messages don't appear right away after linking, give it a moment to sync. That's it. WhatsApp is now integrated into your Opera GX sidebar, ready whenever you are.